10 years. Hallelujah.
Wildcats, sing along. Yeah, you really got it going on. Wildcats in the house. Everybody say it now.
Hi, Troy.
Wildcats everywhere. Wave your hands up in the air. That's the way we do it. Let's get to it. Come on, everyone.
Go off.
Hello, everybody. When this turns on. Hi. Hello, everybody. My name's Hannah. I'm the director of Shine Creative Arts Limited, and I'm here today with our members of our theatre school, Cardiff and Newport performance groups, and our show group. We are missing a number of children. We don't know quite whether everyone's just stuck in traffic, but we're just going to have to get going. So if someone arrives late, and if you're running in late, then I'm sorry, we did have to start. Tonight we have some previews from our shows from next year, which are Bugsy Malone, High School Musical, and Alice in Wonderland. And we'll also be performing some Christmas songs for you. So I'd like to ask our show group to come up on stage now. Shadowless, can you come up on stage, please? This is Shadowless. They're called Shadowless because it's stars that shine so bright they cast no shadow. Shadowless recently made the final of the Welsh Factor and have recently performed at the Zenith, and they were performing a mashup for you tonight as well. Again, we're missing some members, but I'm sure they're going to give you a great performance.
No, it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture you're not here next to me.
You took your time with the call. I took no time with the fall. You gave me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. Else in the room. Where do you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And try to look right at you, baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to chase me. But here's my number, so call me maybe.
Yellow diamonds in the light as we standing side by side. As your shadow crosses mine, what it takes to come alive. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
Everyone else in the room can see it. Everyone else but you. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. The way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful. So I could see you'd understand why I want you so desperately. Why now I'm looking at you and I can't believe you don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. That's what makes you beautiful. So call me maybe. What else I know you see it. Everyone else but you. So call me maybe. You light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed. The way you smile at the ground, it ain't hard to tell. You don't know, you don't know you're beautiful.
guys. Okay, next up we have our performers from Newport. So performers from Newport, come up on the stage, please. Excellent. The performers from Newport launched in October. They are performing Bugsy Malone at the Riverfront Theatre in Newport. And tonight we have a little bit of a preview of what they'll be doing. Okay, so...
Hi, how are you doing? I'm Bugsy Malone. You a dancer? A singer, right? Oh, a baseball player?
Zip your lip, Wisey. I'm in no mood for conversation.
You don't like me?
Listen, Wisey, I'm surprised you don't stoop with all that dandruff on your shoulders. If she's here about your audition, Bugsy, she's got a long wait. Every day they tell me to come back tomorrow.
Now, you might be all wondering what kind of crazy place this is, with people disappearing into bookcases. Well, firstly, this neighborhood ain't for dum-bums, and secondly, this bookstore ain't no bookstore. This is Fat Sam's place. Fat Sam's Grand Slam, the liveliest joint in town.
Anybody who is, anybody who still walk through that door at Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Speak easy. All's able to find you a table, there's room for just one more at Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Speak easy. Once you get here, feel the good chill like they say in Nepal. Fat Sam's ain't humble, but it's your home sweet home. Plans to make new days, afraid you're right behind your butt. Each night it's down to rumors are buzzing, stories by the dozen. Look around your cousin, let the news we make it hear. Anybody who is, anybody who still walk through that door at Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Speak easy. Stories by the dozen. Look around your cousin, let the news we make it here. Anybody who is, anybody will soon walk through that door at Fat Sam's Grand Slam. Speak easy. We could have been anything that we wanted to be, but don't it make your heart glad that we decided a fact we take pride in? We become the best at being bad. We could have been anything that we wanted to be, with all the talent we had. No doubt about it, we fight and we tout it. We're the very best at being bad guys. We're rotten to the core. My congratulations, no one likes you anymore. Bad guys, we're the very worst. Each of us contemptible, we're criticized and cursed. We made the big time malicious and bad. We're the very best at being bad. We could have been anything that we wanted to be. We took the easy way out. With little training, we mastered complaining. Manners seemed unnecessary. We're so rude, it's almost scary. We could have been anything that we wanted to be.
And now we have our group from Cardiff who are doing Alice in Wonderland in March. So they have 2 songs to perform for you right now. And because there's so many of the Cardiff group that weren't able to join tonight, we've asked Shadowless to sing with them as well. So they will be joining in with the first song.
In Wonderland, how do you get to Wonderland? Over the hill or underland, or just behind a tree? Where can it be? Past the rainbow, follow the brightest star. Your heart will lead you straight to who you are. Alice in Wonderland, where you get to Wonderland, over the hill or here or there. Why Merry birthday to us, to us. A very merry birthday to us, to us. Out, out. A very merry birthday to me, to me. Oh, you. A very merry birthday to you. Who, me? It's you. I see. Let's all congratulate ourselves another cup of tea. A very merry birthday to we. Out, out, out. We thought to throw a party to a very special party. You mean? We do. I'd hate to be specific, but the scale is terrific. You mean? We do. This Santa is so wonderful, let's treat her royally. A very merry birthday, a very merry birthday, a very merry, a very merry, merry birthday to you, 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 to you. Out!
Thank you, Cardiff. And now we have our theatre school from RADA. The theatre school is a Saturday theatre school that runs every week for ages 4 to 17 years old. Our mini stars aren't performing tonight, that's age 4 to 7, apart from a guest appearance for one of them later on. But tonight we have our age 7 to 17s, some of them, performing the Mega Mix from High School Musical.
In my own
Okay, I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of a preview of our songs. Now all the children are going to come onto the stage to sing some Christmas songs for you. So can we have all of our groups on, please? And can everyone take a really big step forward, because all these lovely mics at the front of the stage are for you to hear your singing, and we're not hearing it very much at the moment. So another step forward, please. That's it. Right, come on, Newport. Let's come on the stage. That's it. Theatre School, you're meant to be a bit further over this way. Can you move over this way so Cardiff can get in? That's it, lovely. No, girls in the front, you're fine. Okay. Olivia?
Christmas Eve. I guess that Santa's busy, 'cause he never comes around.